Really? You're going on little loose ones. How about I do this for you? Come on. Come on, you can do it. So cute. Your father. There's a little one waiting up there for you in the branches. Now you're gonna, he chopped up the peanut into smaller bits to give to the little one. Papa bird. Now we're friends. Now you feel safe. Oh, feel safe now to give it to the little one up there. You hear that little consistent, sharp chirping? That's a little one he's got. The fathers are in charge of feeding the young once they leave the nest.